Alright, I'm going to show you quickly how to use the Instant Pot to make a beef stroganoff. If you're in a hurry and you only have about 15 minutes and want to make a good supper, this is what you do. So you start off by browning 1 pound of ground beef. You can do it in the Instant Pot or just on the stove. I did it on the stove ahead of time. So this is what I'm going to add in. Half teaspoon of salt. Put that in there. Half a clove of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of flour. Shake this in here. 3 cups, I'm trying to do this one-handed, 3 cups of beef broth. There's a noisy cat in the background. 3 cups beef broth. 1 can of mushroom soup. There's that. And we're going to stir that up. Stir it till it's all mixed in. Trust me, it doesn't look the best, but it tastes really good. Okay, so we kind of get that mixed up. Use 3 cups of egg noodles. You can put a little more or less, whatever you want. If you put too many though, it's going to soak up all your water, or sorry, all your beef broth in there, and then it'll be a bit dry. So that goes in. Give it a stir. Kind of get it so most of them are under the liquid. Kind of like that. Okay, we're gonna put our lid on. Do it one-handed here. Oh, it's backwards. Make sure your vent is sealed. High pressure, manual. And we're gonna do it for 8 minutes. Oh, 8. That's it. Once that cooks, you're gonna you can do quick release on it, or you can let it manually vent. It takes about 10 minutes. After that, all you do is stir in 1 cup of sour cream, mix it all together. I would put some fresh parsley on it afterwards and serve while it's hot. That's it. It's pretty easy. All right, bye.